Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to show you how to select a fast PKG mirror. Alright, so let's start a new terminal. Let's increase the font size. And we need to install a package, so we're going to do an su PKG. Let's first search for fastest PKG. If it is not with a dash, it's with an underscore. All right, it's there. Let's install PKG install py311 dash fastest PKG. And very simple, let's just run fastest PKG. It does take a little bit of time to run, but it will save time in the long run. Okay, so now you can see that it creates the PKG. So it does see which is the fastest mirror. In my case, is the sjb.freebsd.org. And it does recommend to put the configuration here into this file. So we can just run this command and then this one here. Then PKG update and we should be ready to go. So that's it for today. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have some comments or suggestions, please use the space down below. Otherwise, thank you for passing by. Take care, see you next time, and bye bye.